Here's a little birdie. Our Stella bit him up. Now we're taking him to the hospital, so hopefully he has a chance to live. I think she broke his wing and bit his back all up, but Rachel said that she saw her chewing on something and it was a bird. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to get it fixed at the place, and I have an irrational fear of birds. So we literally sat there for 10 minutes trying to put him in a box because I can't touch him. Oh, he's looking at me. Oh, he's looking at me.
Stop.
Oh, he's looking at me directly. Oh.
He's hurt.
Rachel, he has the demon eyes.
He's a bird.
I can't look at him.
Put your seatbelt on. Put it on. There's construction up here.
Yeah. That's some scare. His eyes are all squinty again. As soon as he opens his eyes.
Well, don't let him close his eyes.
Look, guy, it's okay. We're here. We're here. Don't stop. We're taking him to a place. They said that they wouldn't come and get him. He doesn't honestly look that like he's in that much rough of a shape, except for his back. It looks like Stella might have pulled out a few feathers, but other than that, it doesn't look like he's too injured. He's really, I think his wings are just, since he doesn't have any feathers, or not that many feathers, he just can't fly. And I think he might have hurt his arm. He's a little fat guy though. Look at him. Rachel's crying. So the situation here that I can't even explain kind of hurts, and I don't even like birds. Like, scares the bedickens out of me. Rachel, you want to say something? Rachel?
No.
No, you don't want to say nothing? Yeah, birds scare the crap out of me. You couldn't tell in my last video. Look at him. He looks like, I don't know. He almost looks calm.
Because he's probably dying. Don't let him die. Make him open his eyes.
Hey, Bubba. Okay.
Don't blow on him.
I don't know what to do. I'm not touching him. Oh my God, his eyeballs. Oh my God, he got the demon eyes. Those are so scary. Rachel, you don't understand how black they are. Oh my God. He's doing it again. Oh! He's looking at me directly. He's so injured, and I'm so afraid of him, and I don't understand. It's so irrational. If a bird flew into my house, I would cry. Truthfully. Look at him. He's so cute. Ugh, except for when he opens his eyes.
Well, he has to open his eyes. Why isn't his eyes open? His eyes should already be open.
Open your
Don't
eyes.
shake it too much. You're going to hurt him. Don't bark at him. It's probably traumatizing.
The skin looks so weird over his eyes.
What? It shouldn't be closed. Touch him.
Kitty! Don't you dare.
I can't see him. You do it.
Oh my God, don't do it. He's looking directly at the camera. Oh my God.
Well, he shouldn't be closing his eyes. Stop encouraging him to
He's
close
probably
his
closing
eyes.
his eyes because I'm burning his eyeballs with this light.
No, he can see the sun. He can see a light. He needs to keep his eyes open.
Stay towards the light.
No.
Towards
Just
my
stop.
light. His eyeballs are open. He's like, shut the fuck up. I'm trying to sleep.
He can't go to sleep right now. He probably has a concussion. You can't go to sleep when you have a concussion.
Hey. Let the birthday. Yeah, he stole it. Oh my God, when you put that plastic thing in there, he becomes demonic.
Good. Piss him off.
have to wake him up. Shut up.
He's injured. Just use the plastic.
No, he's going to attack.
It's okay. I'd
This-
rather him attack us than freaking go to bed. Or you hurt
What are you
him.
doing?
This is what
This
the
is the
thing
way?
says. Yes.
I honestly think he's more relaxed with us than out in the yard.
Yeah, because he was dying out there and Stella's chewing on him like he's a freaking rope. She's a bad dog. She's in so much freaking
Hi,
trouble.
Birdie.
Not kidding.
Maybe we could keep him.
She's a monster. We can't keep him. You're scared of birds.
I feel if we have a bond.
He's a wild bird. He's not a pet.
You want to be a pet?
It's healthier for him to be in the wild.
You don't want to be a pet?
He just has to go to the vet because we have a freaking dog who can't just be a nice dog.
You can't stop on us. Stop. Stop.
No. I'd rather him be angry than dead.
At least I can look him directly in the eye now. Oh my god. I can't look him directly in the eye. It scares me. Rachel is pretty stressed. This is a pretty stressful situation if you can't hear us. How far?
Another 9 minutes.
9 minutes. Alright, I'll start recording once I'm there.